This WASJOYE Office Chair Mat in a 36 by 55-inch size gives rolling chairs a smooth, predictable surface on low-pile carpet while helping to prevent wear tracks and snags. The transparent polyvinyl chloride material keeps carpet patterns visible, yet adds a firm layer that resists cracking and curling under everyday office use. Small grip points on the underside anchor the mat securely into low-pile carpet, so it stays put when you move your chair, reducing frustrating sliding and edge lift. Because it is made without common plastic additives like bisphenol A and phthalates, it is a reassuring choice for people who work long hours in a home office or shared workspace. The mat works well in a variety of carpeted rooms, from offices and gaming setups to living areas, as long as the carpet is low pile rather than thick or plush. Although it arrives rolled, the material relaxes and lies flat with a bit of weight on the corners, so you can get it into service without much hassle.